Alternatives for nighttime use of solar energy. Solar panels can only generate electricity when there is sunlight. But there are alternatives available for using solar energy at night, such as energy storage systems, artificial light sources, and photovoltaic thermal panels. You can achieve energy consumption from solar power during the night by choosing one of these alternatives. Energy storage systems. Some solar power plants use battery systems to store the energy generated from sunlight. These batteries store the energy from solar panels and preserve it for use during the night or on cloudy days. This system allows electricity production at night, but it can be expensive and may not be available in many solar power plants. Artificial light sources. Another alternative is the use of artificial light sources. When the sun sets, these light sources turn on and provide illumination throughout the night. This method relies on traditional electricity usage and is not a renewable source, but it can be less expensive and quickly implemented. It also operates with lower energy losses compared to energy storage systems. Photovoltaic thermal panels. Another alternative for nighttime use is photovoltaic thermal panels. These panels produce both electricity and heat energy from the sun, so they can still produce heat energy even when there is no sunlight. This heat energy is used for heating homes and buildings, while increasing the efficiency of electricity production to provide more energy for nighttime use. There are many alternatives available for using solar energy at night, and they are not only environmentally friendly but also provide cost-effective solutions in the long run. Therefore, solar energy technologies such as solar panels and energy storage systems will play an important role in meeting future energy needs. Mapperx uses thermal cameras to detect faults in solar power plants and helps operators make informed decisions. This allows solar power plants to make the right decisions for nighttime use and operate more efficiently. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video.